Another Saturday, part 2. Oh, the stump grinder. Okay, welding the plate back on. Using my synchro. Let's see if this is any good. And another one right here. And another one right here. So I installed the cylinder. Not really installed, just hooked it up. Let's see if it works. I installed that one. And I hooked up the bottom one. Now here's the problem. That one is shot. I mean, that thing is... Look at that. It popped the welds. It leaks at the fitting. And then where it's all rusting over here, it literally exploded and shot the fluid out like crazy. So yeah, that one is... I need a new one. Not getting around it. It's just too bad. The good thing is it's not leaking anywhere else. This is all good. This is good. This is good. And I found another problem. This wheel spins, the other one does not. And it leaks as well. So looks like I'm rebuilding the motor. Once you put new seals in and it builds up pressure again, that's when it pops all the bad ones. First time boom up and it stays. No more creeping. Perfect. Now I gotta put that nut back in. We're good to go. It's a long way to go.